as we see about the terminologies and the different uses of the cloud computing, so we would able to see that we have a different benefits and different advantages of using the cloud. So if I talk about the advantages, so you don't have to wait for your deployments or for your local computing resources, which basically in turn provide you faster. You are going to pay only for the services which you are using. You don't have to pay for the service for more than you don't have to pay for the services which you are not using or which is like being not launched in your instance of some. So it is basically like pay as you use model. So that's how we term it as a usage based pricing. Of course, as you are investing less money on your hardware as well as setting up your infrastructure and other costs, so it is cost effective and you have less financial risk as an organization or for your business. Upgrades are very easy. Lot of software upgrades are auto upgrades because they are being taken care by the vendors, so you don't have to worry about those. You have to worry about if you have application loaded and those things, if you are going to do those upgrades, those can be turned into second. Then you don't have to worry about the hardware as well as the location or the to set up the infrastructure on premises, as everything is on cloud and is being taken care by vendors, etc. So these are few of the benefits of cloud computing. There could be various, but these are some of the major ones which help us and which basically take us to use the cloud.